Hi, this is Terrell, graphic recorder and creator of Frame the Message Inc. This is Picture This. In this module, we'll look at the frenzy of followers behind the ever-popular Sketchnote and look at ways for you to become part of the media mania. We take notes for lots of reasons. During a class or lecture, to remember a list of things to do, or steps to take towards making a masterful lemon meringue pie. We jot down short reminders and lengthy detailed instructions. We keep them for ourselves to recall, remember, take action, and we post them on the fridge publicly or share them with others to save time, energy, and to be helpful. We all take notes in various forms, yet if we were to compare the notebooks of the millions of learners that make up the world, our note-taking styles would be vastly different. Technology has truly shifted note-taking from a private activity to one of a communal spirit. We share our slide decks, our handouts, our presentation notes. We share through video, through photos, and through text. Technology has allowed us to open our notebooks wide and to share our acquired knowledge and wisdom with others who have an interest in the same areas we have. So why is sharing our sketchnoting so scary? Gone are the days of shamefully copying notes. There's no need to keep them covered anymore. People are sharing their sketch notes online, giving others a glimpse into both the content and their perspectives, putting new insights and ideas into the world, and with respect to the contribution of learning that sketchnoting provides, diversity is king. In the end, it's really up to you to decide whether you'll keep your sketch notes for you personally or if you're willing to share them publicly. But if you're holding on to the idea that your sketch notes aren't good enough to share, do some trolling around sketchnoting on the internet. Don't be intimidated by what you see. You'll see there are many styles and skill levels that exist. Every sketchnote is different. It's more valuable to explore a new style or record ideas in new, innovative ways than to mimic the sketches of others. If you're thinking about sharing some of your sketch notes by harnessing the power of social media, here are some places where sketchnoting has made a really strong showing. Even if you choose not to share your sketch notes right away, I encourage you to give sketchnoting a try. Once you experience the freedom of listening and the powerful connections that come with organizing content in creative ways, you may never go back to your old ways of note-taking again. But I do hope I see you amongst the other brave sketchnoters out there contributing to the learning frenzy of Sketchnote Media Mania. Join me next time for Module 4, where we'll learn to discover new ways of recording notes in public forums through a process called graphic recording.